Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Sunil Godolkar. I am Assistant Professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola, district Nashik. I was taught the subject of Basic Electronics. Today, today we will discuss the topic of adder and different types of adder. Firstly, we see what is adder. Adder in an electronic and in adder in electronics, an adder is a digital circuit that perform addition of numbers. In modern computer, adder reside in the arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Adders are important not only in the computer but also in many types of digital systems in which the numeric data are processed. Types of adder: there are two types of adder: half adder, full adder. In half adder, the half adder accepts two binary digits on its inputs and produces two binary digit outputs, a sum bit and a carry bit. The half adder is an example of a simple functional digital circuit built from two logic gates. The half adder adds to one bit binary number AB. The output is the sum of the two bits S and carry C. Half adder having two input A and B. Output of half adder is sum and carry. Sum is denoted by S and carry is denoted by C. In sum, half adder A XOR B. In carry, output is A into B. Note that how the same two inputs are directed to two different gates. The inputs to the XOR gate are also the inputs to the AND gate. The inputs wire to the XOR gate are tied to the input wires of the AND gate. Thus, when voltage is applied to the A input of the XOR gate, the A input to the AND gate receives the same voltage. XOR gate having two input A and B. The input of two XOR gate A and B is given to the input of AND gate. The XOR gate input A is given to the AND gate first input. The XOR gate, another input of XOR gate is B, is given to the input of second AND gate, that is B. The output of AND gate is C and the output of XOR gate is S. XOR gate output is sum and the AND gate output is carry, that is denoted by C. First type half adder we see. After that, the second type of adder is full adder. In full adder, the full adder accepts two input bits and input carry and generate a sum output and output carry. The full adder circuit adds three 1-bit binary numbers C in A and B and the outputs to 1-bit binary number a sum S and carry C out. The full adder is usually a component in a cascade of adders which add 8, 16, 32, etc. binary numbers. Full adder having two input A, B and carry in. Full adder having two output. Full adder having two output, sum and carry out. The full adder is usually a component in a cascade of adders which add 8, 16, 32, etc. binary numbers. Full adder having two input A and B and third is carry in. Full adder having two output, sum and carry out. If you look closely, you will see the full adder is simply two half adders joined by an OR. We can implement a full adder circuit with the help of two half adder circuit. The first half adder will be used to add A and B to produce a partial sum. The second half adder logic can be used to add C into the sum produced by the first half adder to get the final S output. If any of the half adder logic produces a carry, there will be an output carry. Thus, C out will be an OR function of the half adder carry output. 2 XOR gate having 2 input A, B, second XOR gate having 2 input A, B output is given to the second input of XOR gate. XOR gate second input is C in. The output of XOR gate is sum. After that carry, we use 2 AND gate. The input of 2 AND gate is from XOR gate. 2 inputs from XOR gate is given to the 2 input of AND gate. The second AND gate having 2 input from A and B. The output of AND gate is given to the input of OR gate, and the output of OR gate we obtain a C out. The truth table for 2 input exclusively OR gate or 2 input AND gate is as shown in figure. Firstly, the 2 input exclusive OR gate or XOR gate, 2 input is A and B. Output of XOR gate is sum. So how it obtain? The truth table is B input, A input, 0 0. Output sum is 0. 0 0 0 1. Output sum is 1. 1 0. Sum is 1. And 1 1. Sum output is 0. The 2 input XOR gate having 2 inputs A and B and output is sum. 0 0 output 0, 0 1 output 1, 1 0 output 1 and 1 1 output is 0. After that we see the 2 input AND gate. For 2 input AND gate having 2 inputs A and B, the output of AND gate is C. Symbol, this is the symbol of 2 input AND gate. The truth table for 2 input AND gate is 2 inputs A and B, output is C. For 2 input, when input of 2 is 0 0, carry output is 0, 0 1 carry 0, 1 0 carry 0, 1 1 carry is 1. This is the truth table of 2 input AND gate. Half adder truth table is sum is equal to A XOR B exclusive OR and C is equal to A into B AND gate. For half adder sum, and we see the sum and carry output. For half adder, A and B input having 0 0 input, sum is 0, carry is 0. For 0 1 input, sum is 1, carry is 0. For 1 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. And for 1 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. This is the half adder truth table circuit. After that, full adder truth table, the sum is equal to S is equal to A XOR B XOR C in. How we obtain a output of sum? In when input 3 input A, B and carry in. 0 0 0 sum is 0, 0 0 1 sum is 1, 0 1 0 sum is 1, 0 1 1 sum is 0, 1 0 0 sum is 1, 1 0 1 sum is 0 and 1 1 0 sum is 0. For input 1 1 1 sum is 1 and for carry out C is equal to A B plus C in. A B A XOR B, carry out is equal to, truth table is for 0 0 input 0 0 0 carry out 0, 0 0 1 carry out 0, 0 1 0 carry out 0, 0 1 1 carry out is 1, 1 0 0 carry out is 0, 1 0 1 carry out is 1. 1 1 0 carry out is 1, and for 1 1 1 carry out is 1. This is the truth table for half adder and full adder circuit. What is the difference between half adder and full adder circuit? The main difference between half adder and full adder is that the full adder has a 3 input and 2 output. The first 2 input are A and B, and the third input is an input carry designated as Cin. When a full adder logic is designated, we will be able to strong 8 of them together to create a byte-wide adder and cascade of the carry bit from one adder to the next. The output carry is designated as Cout and the normal output is designated as S. Thank you.